Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a couple of little non-standard ways to find the middle point of a piece of paper without having to do any sort of complex calculations. Now the first method is the diagonal method, and if I put my ruler there I know that's roughly 21 centimetres straight across, and if I do it on the diagonal I'm going to do a diagonal and measure 24 centimetres on the diagonal, and what I'll do is I'll line up the 0 mark there perfectly on the edge of the paper on this side, and then the mark for the 24 I'll mark that perfectly up on the other edge of the paper. And if I take the halfway point between the 0 and the 24, which is 12, and put a little mark there, then that is going to be the perfect middle distance between this side of the paper and the other side of the paper. Now the second one is the two ruler method, where you do these two rulers straight across the page, and you start one with the 0 mark right on one edge of the paper, and the other one coming the other way with the 0 mark on the other edge of the paper. And where we get the two measurements to be exactly the same, coming one way and coming the other way, is going to be in the middle point. And if we come along here, we've got 10, 11, and here we've got 10, 11, so it's going to be 10.5 is actually where the middle point is. So I'll put a mark there at the 10.5, because we've got 10.5 centimetres this way and 10.5 centimetres the other way, is going to be exactly the middle of the piece of paper. So where those two measurements are exactly the same, then from one ruler going one way and the other ruler going the other way is going to be the middle distance of the piece of paper. Now, to prove that I have got the piece of paper, the middle distance of that piece of paper, done it correctly, found the middle correctly, I'm going to line up those 2 points. That's a 12 centimetre on the diagonal, that's a 10.5 on the two ruler method. I'm going to run a straight line down through the middle of those 2 points and get my piece of paper and fold it over and line up those two edges perfectly along this edge. Fold it down the middle and then open it up, and you can see that that pencil line is perfectly in the middle of that crease, so it proves that I was able to measure the exact middle distance of that piece of paper with those two non-standard methods. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.